Look at the palm trees.
They are so tall.
I want ice cream.
I think the meeting went exceptionally well.
I agree. They seemed very impressed with the proposal.
Look at those birds. They're acting crazy.
And the sky is getting so dark all of a sudden.
Did you see how fast that came in?
Yeah, look at everyone pointing. Something's definitely up.
Look at that, is that real?
Oh my God, it's actually forming.
We have to get out of here, move!
It's getting closer. We have to move. I can feel the wind. It's too strong.
Look at the size of it now.
Keep moving, don't look back!
Grab the kids. We have to go now.
It's right on top of us!
We have to get inside, quickly!
Run, grab the children!
It's getting closer.
Everybody run, don't look back. Help me!
Hurry, faster. Don't look back.
Daddy! Daddy!
Keep running.
Grab my hand! Come on, we have to get inside! I'm trying! I'm free!
It's getting closer.
Help! Somebody help! We have to get out of here now. We need to get to the shelter under now. Stay close, everyone.
The bridge is out! We can't go that way!
We have to keep moving. Help me! Somebody help! Run! Get to the shelter!
It's gaining on us! Run, keep moving!
It's gaining on us!
There's nowhere left to go! It's heading right for us. Run! Get inside, quickly! Find cover! The building is collapsing! Everybody run! Oh God, look out! Keep moving, don't stop!
Michael! Where is Sarah? Has anyone seen them? Corran, corran!
Dios mío, se está cayendo rápido, rápido! Rápido! Look out, it's coming down! We have to move back now.
Oh God, it's getting closer!
Find cover now! Oh my God, look out! It's falling! Run! Everybody run! Run! It's right behind us!
Help me! I can't see anything!
Keep moving! Don't stop! Run! Get out of the way! Look out below! It's collapsing! Get back! Run! We have to find cover!
What is happening? Oh God, look! Look at the size of that thing!
We have to get out of here! Oh my God, it's huge! Run! Run! It's destroying everything! We have to get out of here! It's collapsing! We have to run now! Move! Move!
Look at it, it's getting closer!
We have to move. Where do we go?
Is anyone there? We need help over here. Please, somebody help us.
Get it, go!
Is it finally over? I hope so. We were lucky this time.
Does anyone know what's happening? No signal at all. We should head toward the plaza.
All right, let's stick together and keep moving.
I